National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms were located near Cuba City, or 8 miles south of Platteville, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Mineral Point, Blanchardville, Barneveld, Highland, Avoca, Linden, Ruby, Allendale, Black Hawk Lake Rec Area, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of